Hello, fellow dessert aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the exquisite world of French desserts as we explore the enchanting universe of crème brûlée. But hold on to your sweet tooth, because we're about to reveal some delectably unknown facts that will surely satisfy your curiosity. Timeless elegance. Crème brûlée, often referred to as the epitome of elegance, has its origins in the heart of France. It's a velvety custard that is transformed into a dessert masterpiece with the perfect caramelized sugar crust. Royal roots. Would you believe that crème brûlée might have royal origins? It's said that this indulgent treat dates back to the 17th century when French royalty relished a similar dessert. The marriage of creamy custard and crispy caramel was truly fit for kings and queens. The name game. The name, crème brûlée, itself is intriguing. In French, it means burnt cream, a direct reference to the alluring caramelized sugar crust that's achieved with a flourish of a blowtorch. National Crème Brûlée Day. Did you know that crème brûlée even has its own day? The French celebrate National Crème Brûlée Day on July 27th, where this decadent delight takes center stage in kitchens and restaurants across the country. Versatile flavor infusions. While the classic vanilla crème brûlée remains an eternal favorite, inventive chefs have elevated this dessert with exciting flavor infusions. From lavender to chocolate, and even exotic spices, there's a crème brûlée for every palate. The perfect crack. Ah, that satisfying crack. Breaking through the caramelized sugar crust with a spoon is a moment of anticipation and joy. Achieving the perfect crack requires skill, as the caramelization must be just right. Crème brûlée around the world. While crème brûlée is quintessentially French, its charm has spread globally. You'll find variations of this dessert in different cuisines, each adapting the concept to create their own unique sweet indulgences. The mysterious origins. Crème brûlée's origins are shrouded in mystery, but it's widely believed to have emerged from the French kitchens during the Renaissance. With its creamy custard base and caramelized sugar topping, it's no wonder it has stood the test of time. The torch of transformation. One of the defining features of crème brûlée is its caramelized sugar top, achieved by carefully torching the surface. This transformation from a smooth cream to a crackling, burnt sugar crust adds a unique texture and flavor profile. Science of custard. Creating the perfect crème brûlée involves mastering the science of custard. Achieving the right balance of eggs, cream, and flavorings is crucial for that silky smooth texture that melts in your mouth. The brûlée technique. The art of caramelization is an essential skill for crafting crème brûlée. It's a delicate dance between heat and timing. Achieving that flawless, golden brown crust takes practice and precision. Global cream craze. Crème brûlée's fame has transcended borders, making it a beloved dessert worldwide. From its classic form to innovative interpretations, chefs everywhere are putting their own spin on this timeless treat. Savory surprises. While crème brûlée is often associated with sweetness, some culinary creatives have taken a savory route. Imagine a tomato and basil-infused crème brûlée served as an appetizer. It's a delightful twist that challenges expectations. Creative caramelization. Caramelizing the sugar isn't just about flavor, it's an opportunity for creativity. Some chefs infuse the sugar with unique aromatics like lavender or citrus zest, adding an extra layer of complexity to the dish. Voila! Our journey into the captivating world of crème brûlée has reached its sweet conclusion. This dessert, with its centuries-old history and modern-day innovations, is a true testament to the culinary genius of French gastronomy. Thank you for joining us on this delectable voyage. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary explorations. À la prochaine!